try to collect.
Yeah,
Okay.
see, that's what I have trouble doing. It's real slow.
Almost there.
Did survey that part.
All right.
I don't know, I just walked.
Oh, yeah, I've got some
Actually, it's
on my
fairly
way.
difficult to collect a sample on a hill like this. Yesterday we got kind of lucky because we saw it as the first time we were going straight up the hill. Right, but when you're coming at a diagonal or angle to the hill, it's very hard because the robot keeps wanting to slide down the hill.
Yep.
It makes it extremely difficult to actually line yourself up properly.
Yeah, one of the other teams had mentioned that they were going to have big problems with that. Santa Cruz said they hit it, and because it's on a hill, it might help them. That's the only time it might help them. Otherwise, the other team said that it was impossible to do it, and they got it. That was Wung Kolar. Kolar.
If we're in the right square.
Well, there's two of them.
Yeah.
Their sample collecting is very similar to ours.
Yeah.
Very, very similar. They have a conveyor belt though that once it hits it, it sucks the sample in.
Yeah, I like that idea.
And it's digesting.
Yeah.
Do they have it in there?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Team is gathered around, watching anxiously on the webcast.
I don't know
To
on
see
the other
what it's
video.
doing on the
It looks like
camera
it's
here?
still in the front.
It looks like it's trying very hard to get that. Like they said, the slip on the robot on the hill is a problem, sort of, for the
Yay,
camera.
got it. Oh,
Nope.
no.
Missed it.
So,
You know, there's two of them.
so this is going to back up, you said? Try again? So how did you guys come up with that idea of, if it fails to do it the first time, to back up and do it again? All right. All right.
Oh, got it.
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
that's much better.
Oh, I don't know.
It's gonna
That's
push,
a good
pull it over.
camera angle finder.
Does it have it?
No.
The tension mounts as it
Drag
reaches
it.
out to try to grab the sample. Let's see what it does.
They just smash it into the ground.
Ours will do that.
Put the camera back. Oh my goodness.
There it
Yes.
is.
There it
Oh my goodness.
They got it.
Can they move it?
Can they get it home?
So,
How much time did that take? Where's the
It's trying
so
to.
does it have it?
8 minutes.
Does it have it?
Yeah, they got it.
Is that a good thing, or is that, oh my God, it could fall at any second?
We're not going to connect any sample at all. It's a good thing. Also, you can go back home with that. If not, you will see.
Okay, well,
That's the same.
well, but if it doesn't, if it sees it as a failure to collect it, what'll happen? Or you don't know?
You might lose the sample anyway, sample collector.
All right.
That's okay. Withdrawing its.
What do you think it's doing over there?
Are they still running the 20-minute program?
Cameraman.
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Backing up to check.
Yeah, they got it.
Okay. All right, so if it's really stuck, what do you think it's going to do then? Okay, so it'll drive around searching for something else.
For 20 minutes.
All right. So it's still going to look around for more? All right, so it's never going to find it because it's on its own.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
It's like losing your
Right. Okay.
Put it there on the top of your head.
All right. Now, if it does drop it by accident, what are the chances do you think it'll see it after when it drops it?
If it drops it, we drop it with enough time and come back and find it again.
Okay.
And today is better chances than yesterday because yesterday we had a lot stronger shadows in the sun. Today I don't see many strong shadows at all. So
Actually, the sun was out pretty strongly, but for within the last half hour, it's become very overcast. So the sun has been making less and less shadows. So you guys have been getting lucky with your timing.
It went under the
lucky
tree.
in our favor, hopefully.
Yes.
Shadows, and there was a big white butt. And it went right up to it, lined itself up,
So how
tried
much
to pick it
time
up,
do we have left on
and
the
then when
screen?
it backed up, it was in a different little bit.
19
light,
and a
it
half
was gone
minutes
quicker.
left. So in theory, it should go around for another 20 minutes? 9 minutes, okay. All right, well, right, well, let's see what happens here. It's,
Does it?
yeah, so,
Even
in
on
theory,
Positive or a false hook, the hook actually gets dislodged and ends up on the conveyor belt, then we're all set.
okay.
If that doesn't happen, then we'll continue on until this 22 minutes. Oh, yeah.
So, 22-minute limit hits,
The,
no matter what, it's gonna say, it's time to go home, I'm giving up on you people. Okay, well, let's see what happens with that. How much time do we have left?
2 minutes.
10 minutes. All right. So even if it's in the middle of its collection pattern, it's going to stop and say, okay, so it cuts it off. Yes. Even if it's in the middle of the
Yes. It avoided the red orange fence.
So you're not yesing them. I was like, what?
Sorry.
All right. So Waterloo Robotics team has dropped their sample, and they're going to try to pick it up again. Let's see what happens here, if they can actually manage to pick it
The
up.
follower said it ran along the
For a
fence and
second
kept
time?
moving away from it. Let's see it moving away from it.
You got a minute and 20 seconds according to their internal clock of when it's going to do its retrievals and then give up. So still plenty of time.
Rod,
Still be
Waterloo
positive.
dropped it.
Team's all very positive here and very quiet now.
They're trying to get it again. Second time.
Good. Sorry, I was looking at mine.
Let's see what happens.
Excited about
I
it.
know.
Hope I didn't cheer when they dropped
You
it.
did.
You did.
Oh,
Are we down to a minute yet?
didn't mean that.
All right, we're down to about a minute while it's waiting.
It's in servo mode. It'll go home in servo mode, right? It won't go home.
All right, so it won't go home in collection mode? Will it go home while it's in collection mode?
Collection, it will finish the collection before going home. So if we're lucky, we may get a second chance at attempting to pick up the sample, assuming we didn't get it this time.
All right, well, let's hope you get it this time. All right, so
No.
Aw.
all right, hopefully it tries another collection before it goes home.
Good.
Come on, please.
Let's hope so. Let's see if the servo arm's going to come down to grab it.
It's on its side.
All right, it's going forward. Hopefully it's going to grab it this time.
What happened? Did it drop it?
The rig's extending, which means
The collection has begun, so we'll definitely finish this collection.
all right. Hopefully you can actually grab it and pick it up.
Pick up the sample when it's on its side. So when it's up, it's like nice and tall, it's easy to get under. When it's on the side, it can be
Well, I would say you should have planned for the worst case scenario, but having it hooked on your robot and dragged around for a little while might be the worst case scenario.
I think they have
I'm
it.
sure you guys are doing good. You made it to the point that you definitely got to observe the point and find the sample, recognize it twice. So the robot wants to be shy with the camera to try to hide itself. Is it going to do one more collection? Will it have time to do one more collection? Let's see.
It got it, did it get it?
It got it.
Yes.
All right, it's looking for a
Oh,
home.
it knows it. It's going home.
All right, so let's see if the team from Waterloo, their robot makes it home.
Sure they can. They got lots of time.
Last team, too.
Let's see,
no, one
it's
more.
heading for the
Yeah,
platform.
you're right. Yasha.
What's that little suitcase on the platform?
Going off the back of the platform. It's just a suitcase.
It's just a heavy suitcase. Very technical.
Look at this
idea.
guy.
All right.
Come on. Yay! Get it!
Yeah!
Woo!
Oh, it bumped it.
Stop, quit, you're ahead.
Fantastic.
It's the sample inside the
Team
white.
from the University of Waterloo has retrieved their sample.
Is
They
it?
have achieved
Yeah.
level
I don't know if
1.
it is.
All right.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that's close.
Great job, guys. Nice work.
Thanks for crossing your fingers, guys.
I'm sure you guys have had this recorded somewhere, and you're going to be showing it over and over again. Awesome. Well, great job, guys. You guys should be happy.
I haven't balls that are
Did
stopped,
David blow
so
it dead?
hopefully it doesn't drive off.
Don't leave the stage yet. Are you guys good with... Okay, so hang on. Don't leave the stage, because your match hasn't officially been blown dead yet. So let's get a big picture together. You gotta look like you smile, like you really like each other.
Oh, your mother will be so proud.
Yes, she will. I've got that in the back of my car. Did you
All
guys
right,
see it?
so the judges are letting the clock run out on your run. That's